y'all, so today I just wanted to test out and try out some new JUNO Company products that I recently ordered. So I ordered some brushes, a sponge, and some lashes from JUNO Company, and so I decided that I'd do a video on it because I've never tried them before. So I ordered the fiber sponge, the blue one, and then I've got all of these brushes here. So I've got the ES02, the ES03, ES05, and then the 7 and 8 as well. So I hope these are good. And then I got the little value pack of like 8 lashes. And for today's look, I've picked out these 3 to maybe. These are number 113, number 523, and then number 8. So either one of these, which they came with 8, but these are just the 3 that I've picked out for today. So I kind of want to do some yellows and some oranges. I grabbed a eye mask because I've been trying to do better with my skin. So these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they look like this. I just want to put these on while I'm doing my makeup, or my eye makeup. I need to go get my nails done so bad, but I just haven't had the time. First off, I'm gonna get my concealer out. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C3. My friends Morgan and Gracie are texting me. She said, "Sarah, friend, where you at?" I said, "Hello, I'm here. What's up?" She said, "Hello, you are like individual text messages. Hello, you are invited to a gathering at at her house." Alright, so obviously I'm not using these yet. Well, actually, I only have 2 eye brushes. I'm just taking the white out of the James Charles palette. This is the ES07. I guess I'm gonna start in this shade right here. Okay, this brush is not as fluffy as I want it to be. So I'm just gonna take my brushes and start out. I guess I should zoom you in, huh? There we go. Vaseline. Let me grab my laptop real quick. Okay, so Chandler looked up some photos and he wanted me to do something like that. He just said orange and yellow, and I haven't done anything like that, so I decided to do it. Alright, now I'm going to pick up the shade right here. Now I'm going to pick up this orange shade right here and just start buffing that in the upper crease. And I'm going up here, but I'm gonna try to not go down here, that way it'll be more yellow. Okay, so now I think I'm going to deepen that up with this color right here with a more precise brush. So now I'm gonna go in with that ES07, mix the orange and that more brown color together. I think I'm going to take just a dab of this color right here mixed, I think. We're going to mix them up. I'm going to go in with this vibrant yellow right here. So that same color, just with a brush. I think I'm gonna take these eye masks off. I think I want to add a little more of that orange. I'm going to take a little red. I don't know how this is going to look, but this color right here in the Joseph Colors Daisy Katie palette looks really pretty, and there's shimmer over top the yellow. So I just want to see how this looks. Yeah, I like that. Now I'm gonna go wet this sponge and we're going to do the face. So now I'm going to take my Mario Badescu. And I did a face mask and I exfoliated, so I feel like my skin needs some moisture. So I'm gonna use my First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. It's more of a moisturizing primer. So I wet the sponge and it got much bigger. This one has a small flat edge and a larger flat edge. I think I'm going to mix my ColourPop No Filter Stick and my Wet n Wild foundation. So let's see how this sponge does. Feels interesting. Not bad. Kind of feels weird though, because you know how you're used to feeling like a sponge on you, and that kind of, you know, it feels fuzzy obviously. But not bad, I wouldn't say. What do y'all think? Y'all think it looks good? All right, let's try it with my powder. This is the Peach Perfect Too Faced powder. So I don't know if it's the sponge or just that I used under eye mask before I put my face makeup on. But this looks really good. I think I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'll probably start with this orange, then go into these two shades right here, and then this color is going to go on the inner corner. I'm trying out this one too. So this is the JUNO Company ES08. Now this girl went all the way to the inner corner, but my eyes are ticklish. We can try, but... Alright, now I'm going to take the 07 and go into that orange and a little bit of the big yellow in the middle right here. I'm just going to... Whoa. Try to smoke it out. Blend it out. This is very out of my comfort zone. Now I think I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini. I'm gonna mix this one and that one, I think. I kind of wipe this brush off and I'm going to go into that vibrant yellow. Go into the inner corner and right down here as well. So I'm just taking that sparkly shade again from the Desi Katie and adding that over that yellow. This color is just amazing. I always drop things. Ugh. Alright, so now I think I'm going to take this brush. It's the 02. Ooh, it's soft. Wipe away all of that extra powder. Then I'm gonna take the 03. It looks like this. Bristles are kind of. I've never even used this and it's already doing that. I only paid $1 for it though, so can't really complain a whole bunch. I got these on Black Friday and all of their brushes were on sale for $1. Well, most of them. The brushes are really soft though. Picking up a lot of product, which I don't love, but it's not too bad. I don't think I saw a highlighting brush on there. If I did, I don't know why I didn't get it unless they were sold out. So now I'm going to take the 05. It's kind of angled, which some people would use this for contour, but I'm going to use it for blush. This one's a little more densely packed, so maybe it wasn't the best one to put blush on with. It's still really soft though. Okay, it looks like I have contour blush. I think I would have definitely used this one for blush if I would have known, because it just kind of, like, this one moves better and this one's kind of, it's stiff. And I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette again. I think I'm going to set my face. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows off camera because I realized that I hadn't done them yet. They're a little bold. Yeah. I'm going to do some liner. Let's see how she had it done. Okay, I still have not sharpened this yet. It's a little bumpy. I don't understand how people get that perfect line. Like, that just, no, that ain't gonna happen for me. I'm just popping some mascara on. Like, I want you to be able to see the yellow. So I think these are out because they're a little thick. I feel like these are too long, like lengthwise, so I think I'm gonna go with these. These are the number 8. They're like little lollipops. These are them. I don't know, maybe I want a little more than that. Let's try the 523. Let's see. I like that better. Okay, so that took longer than expected. Alright, so I just put my sweater on. I didn't have it on earlier because I don't want to get makeup all over it, and knowing me, I would. So anyway, final verdict. I like this sponge, just I think I'm gonna have to get used to using it because it's literally fluffy. Like, I mean, I know obviously y'all have probably seen this before, and I really like the lashes. I think that they look good. I didn't love the ES05. I didn't love it, but maybe I'll try it for contour. And then I really liked this brush, the ES03. It was really soft, and if you need a brush like this, even though I got this on Black Friday for $1, I think there's still like only $2 or $3 for these brushes. And then the ES02, I really like this. This is a really good brush. It's so soft. It's softer than the other ones too. And then I really did enjoy this. I mean, it's just a little smudger brush. And then this brush, I feel like the bristles are really densely packed, and it's not as flexible as I would like it to be, but maybe I just need to use it a little bit more and just, you know, wash it, then use it again. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and comment down below what videos y'all would like to see. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I'm sorry if this is different. I was just taking pictures. I didn't put a lip color on. Am I crazy? I'm just gonna put a gloss on. This is e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Mocha Twist. Alright, I feel like this has enough color that I don't really have to put anything else on. So, now for the second time. I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I really do like this look, and I'm sorry that I gave you all of my thoughts with these brushes and everything without finishing it. I don't know what I was thinking, but I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what y'all want me to film next, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.